Hello Microsoft, I'm Tharun, a data science student excited to share my experience in learning Python and how I will use this experience of mine to help my peers learn any new technology or skill they're interested in. In my opinion, Python was this huge, complex programming language only used by professionals. But I didn't give up and started going through some YouTube playlists, and it all started making sense eventually. I signed up on coding platforms like HackerRank and CodeChef to start practicing Python. I participated in some hackathons and tried to build my own projects. And after I was confident enough in Python, I applied for a national certification course and cleared it with flying colors. I was ranked in the top 2 percentile nationwide in this Python certification course conducted by NPTEL. I provided the certificate link in the description. So in this journey, I noted 2 main points. The first one being practice and application. Whether it may be Python or cloud computing or data science or any technology, hands-on experience is a must for every learner. Reading some books or watching some courses won't just suffice. The second point is consistency. Consistency is the key. Period. There's nothing else I can tell to explain this point. So I will keep these 2 key points in my mind while guiding my peers as a student ambassador. Thank you. Have a great day.